So this is a terminal block. Let me get the flashlight here. This is a terminal block for a 220 machine. Not that that's really relevant to the situation here. I'll set the flashlight there to give us a little bit of light. I struggled with how I was going to get the wire into this hole. So these terminal blocks, when you look in here, it looks like a groove in there you might want to stick your screwdriver into and maybe twist it or pull it back, but that is not how they work. And no one was ever around to teach me this, but what you do is you take the screwdriver and you stick it in on the far side and you push it. And then it levers open. Set the phone there and then I'll show you, actually. You can't see it. So it levers open, as you can see right there. If you see. So when it's open now, I gotta set the phone down. Once it levers open, then you stick your wire in, and it bites back down when you pull out. No one ever taught me this, but it's good to know.